Of course, when we're dealing with prosecutors, we deal on many different levels. There's your federal prosecutor, your state prosecutor, and your municipal prosecutor, at least in the state of New Jersey. It's always a good idea to maintain a cordial, respectful relationship, except for those very few cases when that becomes impossible based upon your adversary's position, in which case you still try to mitigate against any type of hostility or outward warfare, so to speak. So courtesy is number one. Number two, you want to let the prosecutor know at the outset that if that person is unaware of your activity and your practice, that you have some experience, what your experience is, and that you are a confident individual with respect to the criminal process. So you try to give the indication that you're one step ahead of the prosecutor at the beginning. But courtesy is important. Also, as in many aspects of lawyering, listening is always important. You want to write down, if you're speaking to a prosecutor for first time, second time, or any time, if something significant arises from the statement of a prosecutor, you want to make note of that for later reference in your case. But the best way to approach a prosecutor is to provide them with information which leads them to believe you're competent and you're not someone that can be taken advantage of, where the wool can be pulled over the eyes and things can become cloudy. So you have to demonstrate you have a knowledge and competency at the outset. In terms of becoming a criminal lawyer, it's a desire I had as a youngster, 8 or 9 years old, just from watching media, Perry Mason, things of that nature. I had a family of lawyers. My father's a lawyer. I had 2 brothers that are lawyers. And I had an interest in criminal law from an early age, which led me to pursue study in that. In law school, I specifically paid attention to criminal law and criminal procedure. During high school and college, I would find myself with a friend or two going down to courthouses where trials were being held to observe lawyers in action. And if I was able to arrange for a visit to a courthouse where a known, highly reputable criminal defense attorney was involved in a trial, and I was free, I'd try to get down there and watch. And it intrigued me. And I always said to myself, I want to be there one day. I want to be in front of a jury arguing my client's case. As time went by, this feeling was just enhanced. And I knew once I started law school that I had chosen the right profession.